You know, communication. They have snorkeling there too. You gonna do snorkeling too? We have. But there's a wildlife preserve jaguar thing. I think it's gonna take some time. Yep. We're walking.
Where'd y'all book through? All together?
Yes.
Oh, this is for French Key.
Green shirt.
Nope. We're...
French key.
Anderson tour.
Excursion, a little French key. Thank you.
Oh, that's it.
Yep.
Eco tour. Real deal.
With the monkey? You got Shakira over here, buddy.
Yep, we're...
So with Shakira? It's about it.
French key?
Yep.
Come guys, keep coming right here. How you doing?
All right.
I'm Larry.
Shelly.
Tom. Oh, yep.
First time you guys been here before?
Been here before.
Welcome to the island again. My name is